The Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 17th of February. I'm James Spann. We're dry through Friday. A warm-up later this week and maybe a shower or two over the weekend. But the rain chances go higher early next week. Let's talk about it. Water vapor satellite view early this morning. Still have troughing over the eastern U.S. that will be lifting out in coming days as the pattern de-amplifies, and that'll keep the really cold air out of here for a while. Starting off the day, well above freezing. Mostly 40s, Birmingham at 43. Most spots will see a high in the 50s today. But by Friday, we'll see a high around 70. Very cold air over Minnesota and Wisconsin, upper Michigan this morning. But no, that cold air will not reach us anytime soon. Watch warning map, things pretty quiet. Note some wind issues in the western states. The eastern U.S. is very calm. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning. About a half inch for North Alabama. And understand there could be a few scattered showers over the weekend, mainly north of Birmingham, but the most widespread rain will be early next week. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is at noon today. 06C run, trough axis moving on to the east. We'll call it partly sunny with a high in the mid-50s in most spots today. A little cooler in the wake of the clipper that brought those showers late yesterday. Tomorrow, we head back to the 60s, a bright sunny sky. The GFS is showing 63. And Friday will be well up in the 60s. Models have backed off a little bit, showing mid to upper 60s for Birmingham, but I do think somebody around here will probably touch 70. It's going to be a very nice day. What about the weekend, you ask? This is Saturday, and really a large part of the state looks dry. Just a small chance of a shower near the Tennessee border. A mix of sun and clouds, and again, the high will be in the 60s. And then Sunday, pretty much the same thing. There could be a shower somewhere over North Alabama, but I think a decent part of the day will be dry, and the high, again, will be in the 60s. Now, Monday, a wave begins to form on that front. The coverage of the rain should be higher Monday, and this is Tuesday. Now, all of a sudden, a pretty deep surface low shows up around Dothan with a good rain event. So the GFS clearly trending relatively wet for Monday and now for Tuesday. And then a week from today, the 24th, the trough axis moving on to the east. Deep surface low is near Long Island. Rain and snow for the northeast, and around here we are breezy and cooler, and that would suggest highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday of next week, the 26th. Trough axis to the east, and we are cool and dry, if that's right. Peek at the teleconnections. Arctic oscillation generally stays positive. That kind of shuts off the flow of brutally cold air, and the NAO stays positive, kind of keeps what cold air out there out of here. So again, the numbers will reflect that, and you can see temperatures, nothing extraordinary. We'll be approaching 70 this weekend, then highs dropping back in the 50s after the rain early next week, but then back in the low 60s as the month of March begins, the beginning of meteorological spring. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.